In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact MSN support through Microsoft step by step. If you've been searching for the right way to get help with MSN, this guide will walk you through the exact process so you can reach the correct support page without getting lost. Whether you're dealing with an account issue, a service problem, or just need help with your MSN product, this tutorial will make it easy to follow. And if this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft.com. Once the Microsoft homepage loads, look for the support option at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to Microsoft's main support area, where you can search for the help you need. Next, go to the search box and type in Contact. This is the quickest way to find the official contact support options inside Microsoft's Help Center. After that, look through the results and click on Contact Us, Microsoft Support. This is the page that begins the support flow and helps route you to the right product and category. Once you're on the contact page, you may see a list of Microsoft products. You can click on any of the products shown below and they'll take you to the same support page, so don't worry if the layout looks a little different on your screen. From there, click on Get Home Support. This starts the support process for personal and home users. Now you'll see a box where you can type your issue. This is where you should describe what problem you're having with MSN, such as sign-in trouble, email access, account errors, or any other support need. After entering your issue, click on Get Help. Microsoft will then show you the next support options based on what you typed. Scroll down the page and click on Contact Support. This is the step that moves you closer to reaching a live support channel. Next, click on Select your product or service. A menu will appear, and here you need to choose the service you need help with. In this case, click on MSN. If you're looking for help with another Microsoft product, you can choose that one instead. After selecting MSN, click on Select your support category. This helps Microsoft narrow down the exact type of issue you're having. Then choose MSN Community from the list. Once you've selected that, click on Confirm. At this point, you should be redirected to a new window or support flow with a live Microsoft support agent or the next available support option. And that's it. You've now followed the steps to contact MSN support through Microsoft. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.